Okay, welcome sa atong tutorial guys. So, atong i-tackle karon is about separation of variables. So, makita ninyo sa screen na atay question or equation na dr over dt is equal to negative 4rt when t is equal to 0, then r is equal to r0. So, first thing to do is kailangan daw nato i-separate ang variables, which is on the left side in terms of r and on the right side in terms of t. And remember guys, dapat ang inyuhon dr or dt kay naa sa numerator, whereas ang atoong dr naa na sa numerator and ang dt nato naa sa denominator. So kailangan nato i-transpose si dt padulong sa ato ang right side and si r padulong sa ato ang left side denominator. Okay, rewrite na to dr over dt is equal to negative 4rt over 1. Para mas maklaro dyan na to guys, ako ang i-highlight si dt daw mo transpose sa numerator. Then si r i-transpose sa denominator. Okay, so i-rewrite na to ang atoang equation, that is dr then over r is equal to negative 4t then dt. Okay? So far so good kay ang atoang r in terms of r naa sa left side na tanan, then ang atoang t naa sa right side na tanan. So after this one, kailangan nato i-integrate both side. Okay? So ito ang new equation is dr over r. So integrate nato siya, that is ln r equal to, pagawas nato ang ato ang constant, that is negative 4, then integration of t, then dt. So ato ang new equation is ln r is equal to negative 4, then integration sa ato ang t dt is t raised to 1 plus 1, then over 1 plus 1. Okay, then plus the constant. Okay, then after this one, kailangan nato i-simplify ato ang right side equation. So negative 4 is t squared over 2, then plus c. Okay, then to simplify the right side, kailangan nato i-cancel. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, ayaw mo kalimot guys sa ato ang negative sign, kay mao na ato makalimtan always. So 2t squared then plus c. Okay, so mao na itong equation with respect to constant. So pangitaon daw nato ang constant in terms of t is equal to 0, then r is equals to r sub 0. Okay, so substitute na to, that is ln r 0, then negative 2, 0 squared, then plus c. So we know that this will become 0. Tapos ang ln r na to, r0 is equals to the constant. So in terms ani, mao na to ang constant. So si constant na to, ato ang i-substitute balik sa ato ang equation. So ln r is equals to negative 2 t squared then plus ang value sa ato ang constant, that is ln r. Oh. Okay, again, kailangan na ito kuhaon ang equation, ang final equation in terms of r. So naaman siya logarithmic, so we need to apply logarithmic na process. Then ln r minus ln r0 is equal to negative 2t squared. Okay, we know nga atoan ni siyang magamitan og quotient rule, that is ln, then r over r0 is equal to negative 2t squared. Okay, after this one, kailangan nato siya gamitan og exponential form. So e raised to ln, then r over r0 is equal to e raised to negative 2t squared. Okay, we know that e raised to ln is equivalent to 1. Okay, and we have the equation r over r0 is equal to e raised to negative 2t squared. Okay, afterwards, ato ang ibilin sa left side si r. Okay, that is r is equal to r0 e raised to negative 2t squared. So, again, transpose lang nato si r0 to the numerator. Okay. And this is our final answer. So, kung makita ninyo guys, taas kayo ato ang solution, right? Taas kayo siya. Okay, taas kayo atong solution. So, what if ato ang diri pa lang nga equation, ato na siyang i-change ang ato ang constant into logarithmic form. So, tanawon na to if same ang answer and mas mubo ba siya. So, ito diri sa right side. Okay. This is ln. R is equal to negative 2 t squared then plus ln c. Then at t is equals to 0, then r is equals to r0. Okay. So let's start this one. Okay. We know again, naatay ln and naatay ln. So, para mas madali ato ang pag-solve, we can change the first term sa ato ang right side, okay, into a logarithmic form. So, ln r is equal to ln e, then raised to negative 2t squared, then plus ln c. Okay, take note, ln e is equivalent to 1. So this is also the same with negative 2t squared. Okay, so afterwards, combine na to. Kaning side, that is ln r is equal to ln c, then e raised to negative 2t squared. And we know, pag naka-equate ang duha ka ln, pwede na to siya i-cancel. Cancel. Then, ang nabilin sa side na to is r is equal to c, then e raised to negative 2t squared. So, at t is equal to 0, then r is equals to r0. Natay r0 is equal to c, then e raised to negative 2 times 0, 2. Okay, then e raised to 0 is 1. So, naatay r0 is equal to c, then times 1. and c is equal to r0. Okay, na natay constant guys. So, kani nga constant ato ana po siyang isab ug balik sa ato ang equation. So, this is r equal to r0, then e raised to negative 2t squared. So, this is our final answer. So, itong tanawag balik ang ato ang answer last time. So, asa ang mas mubo sa inyohang pananaw. Okay? So, this is our answer. So, the same answer guys, but different process. So, the first one is wala na to ang constant guys. Ang constant, wala na to GLN. So, kasagaran sa to mao na atong naandan, di ba? So, and this one, ang ato ang first term sa right side, ato ang G in terms of ln, which is, i-applyan na to og ln e raised to negative 2t squared, whereas ln e is equivalent to 1. Okay? So, that's it for today guys. Thank you and God bless.